Hello friends, in this video I will make unboxing of this thermostat. After that I will make a test and I will install it. Let's begin. For the beginning, let's see what we have in this box. First of all, we have the thermostat. I bought the boiler type, but also there is floor heating model. We have the labels for the wires and the manual. We have some screws, a bridge, and the second temperature sensor. I will use internal sensor. Now let's see why I choose this variant. I am using a classical thermostat, and I decided that now it's time to replace it with smart Wi-Fi thermostat. I will link this thermostat with Alexa, so I can give vocal commands. About the price, a thermostat like this, it's about 80, 90, 100 USD. I bought this from few months, but I didn't manage to install it because I didn't have the all wires in the wall for this. And I have to modify some things. Different from classical thermostat, this smart thermostat needs main input voltage 230 volts. Now let's power this and see how this works. I've connected this to the main power supply with this cable. Now let's see. I hope that you can see it well. The light is very quick for economy and not disturb us in the night. Now I have this 90 degrees. Now let's use the touch buttons. First of all, Wi-Fi is blinking because it's not yet installed. We have on-off button. We have up-down temperature adjusting. And here is the mode button. We have four options. We have programming mode, heating mode, cool mode, and economy. I've read reviews about this thermostat, and most of the people who bought it are very happy with this choice. Now let's make the most difficult part and mount it on the wall. Now I am in the bedroom, and this is the place where I will install the thermostat. I will replace this classical thermostat. It's in use. This works very well. But I need smart thermostat. Installing the app, it's very simple and very intuitive. First of all, you have to download the app. After that, you have to log in. I use my Google account. You have to follow all the steps. Probably will make firmware download. After this you have to make the settings. You can find a detailed tutorial about this. It's very simple. If you need, you can link this with Alexa app. Now, after 6 hours, this project is finally over. Most difficult part was to make the hole for this device. Now let's power this up. Now it's off. I pressed on. Now let's compare the temperature with old thermostat. There is a small difference. Probably the difference is because the difference of the height of those two thermostats. In the menu you have an offset and you can adjust the temperature of a smart thermostat, but you need a very precise and reliable thermometer. Now let's test all 4 modes. We have Eco mode, Programming mode, Heating mode, Cool mode, and again Eco mode. Target is 26 degrees. I've also made the link with Alexa. And now let's check how this works with Alexa. Alexa, thermostat off.
It's off.
Alexa, thermostat on.
Did you mean master bedroom?
Yes. Alexa, set thermostat to 20 degrees.
Master bedroom is not responding.
I don't know why, but Alexa can't change the temperature on this thermostat. And then finally, now it's time to pull off this foil. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.